get a bit of steak smoked in through there.
Yep, that's fine. Turn that off. I don't want to cook the eggs. That's probably one. Hold on. Not just a pretty face.
Well, you know what they say.
No, what do they say?
I don't know. Those Salatin boys in their pan fried biscuits.
That's right.
Cookies.
Yeah, butter my biscuits. That's right.
So do you put it in the oven now?
Yeah, I got to mix all this together and then I'll put it in the oven. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
That's so cool. So you then slice it once it's done.
Yeah.
Into the
into your
individual-
cookie. Yeah, into your
right.
brownies. Yeah. Probably need to get a fork.
It's like a brownie cake.
Yeah.
Love that.
Oh, there we go. That's what I needed. They did use the word whisk and I didn't do it.
So melt the butter.
So you melt the butter, then you do your sugar and brown sugar, and then you do your egg and vanilla and flour and salt and baking soda.
Huh.
And that gives it all together, and you kind of mix it up. Not too much. You don't want to overmix.
Well, so you just
And take it off the heat when you put the eggs in.
Yep. And then we'll just use the word fold. I'm gonna fold in the chocolate chips.
You roll it and fold it.
That's
and
right,
Fold
yeah.
it
oh,
again.
and your
And you don't-
hand shucked pecan.
Yeah. You just do a lightly mix with the chocolate chips because you don't want to over mix. Because then you still have your nice consistency of
Oh,
the
look at this
pellet.
bacon.
Yeah.
Cooking on the farm with Daniel Salatin.
All round guy, this one.
Wowza.
And I like to cut it like this. So you have your edges and your middles. Oops.
So is this a local thing?
No.
No? You come up with it?
No, I got it off the... Yeah! Just leave him there, he's fine.
Will the bear come down?
The vultures and stuff will tomorrow.